In this video, we will go over the send email workflow action. So this workflow action will enable you to send outbound emails to a contact when your workflow is triggered. So this is great when a form or survey is submitted, to quickly follow up with your clients or send emails triggered by certain events to cut down on your day-to-day manual actions. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and click on the little plus icon where you like to add your email. So I'm going to go ahead and click here and I'm going to type in email and you'll see send email. So just click on that and then you can change the action name based on what you are sending. And then you can add your from name and from email. If you'd like to use custom values, you can also use these. So let's say I want to do from user full name, and then I want to do from user email. And then subject, you can type your subject in here. So let's just do thank you. And then you could select a email template or you can fill out your message here. So if you'd like to use a template, you can click on this drop down and select an email template from your system, or you can go ahead and fill in your email here. You have a variety of different text options in here. You can add links, you can add images, you can edit the text color. You can also include custom values here. And then if you'd like to use any trigger links, you can use trigger links as well. Scrolling down, if you'd like to add an attachment, so images, PDFs, anything like that, you can click on add attachment and select a file from your computer. And then if you'd like to test your email before you have it sent out to make sure your formatting is correct, simply type your email in this box here and click on send test email and you will have your email be sent. So once you have that filled in, go ahead and click on save action and you'll see that right in here. If there's any edits that you want to do in the future, just click that and you'll open that back up and you can edit it as well. So then once you have that in your workflow, just make sure you're clicking on the blue save button up here in the top right corner to save your workflow.